Welcome to day 18 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're exploring sensory awareness, a practice that helps us fully engage with the world around us through our senses. Our senses shape our experience of life, yet we often take them for granted. By tuning into what we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch, we cultivate presence and appreciation for the moment. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice, sensory awareness. Find a comfortable place where you can focus without distractions. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Engage your sight. Look around you. Notice the colors, shapes, and movement in your environment. Observe light and shadows. Find details and textures. Take in your surroundings as if you're seeing them for the first time. Step 2. Tune into sounds. Close your eyes and focus on the sounds around you. Notice both loud and subtle noises. The hum of an appliance, distant chatter, the rustling of leaves. Allow yourself to be present with what you hear. Step 3. Explore your sense of touch. Bring your awareness to what your body is touching. Feel the fabric of your clothes, the temperature of the air or the surface beneath you. Notice textures and sensations. Grounding yourself in the present. Is the air fresh, earthy, floral, or filled with another aroma? If there are no strong scents, focus on the subtlety of the air moving through your nostrils. Step 5. Savor a taste, if possible. Take a sip of water or a bite of food. Let it sit on your tongue before swallowing. Observe its texture, temperature, and flavor. If you don't have something to taste, simply bring awareness to the sensation in your mouth. So, why does sensory awareness matter? It helps us connect more deeply with our surroundings, enhancing our ability to stay present and mindful. By tuning into our senses, we can reduce stress, increase appreciation for the moment, and cultivate a greater sense of joy in everyday experience. Now, let's reflect. How did engaging with your senses change your experience? Did you notice anything new or unexpected? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 18 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's continue bringing awareness into each moment. See you tomorrow for day 19. Stay serene and embrace your senses.